Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you guys this Optrex multi-action eye wash. Is for tired, uncomfortable, irritated eyes. So it washes, soothes and cleanses with Flexi-Seal eye bath. So recently when I put on contact lenses, it's really painful, and I did clean my contact lenses really cleanly because I have to wear it every day, and I felt that something is in my eye, so I wash it with tap water, and then it's like don't really help, so I cannot take it anymore. So I decided to go to the pharmacy, and then they introduced me this thing. So they already opened the package because I just want to make sure how the thing looks like, and it's the thing that I saw online. So online they sell it like 90 plus for one big bottle, but this is only 110 mils. So I have no idea, but anyway I'm gonna try. So now I'm gonna take off my contact lenses, and I'm gonna show you guys how to work this out. Hey guys, so I'm ready for this eye bath or something. Wait, just now I just read this eye bath thingy. Yeah, Flexi-Seal eye bath. So previously when I saw on internet, there is this Japan eye wash thingy where you put a cup and then you just, I don't know. So and then when they show it on a transparent type of bottle, and I can see there's something in it. So I wonder if this thing will work the same way. So let's get started. Okay, so it washes away particles to cleanse the eye. I really need to clean it. I felt like something inside. So it is specially designed to soothe tired and irritated eyes. Wait, important thing, Optrex eye wash is not suitable for use wheels or 30 minutes before wearing soft contact lenses. So 30 minutes before, you better don't use this. Why they didn't teach us how to use? Okay, anyway, they didn't teach us how to use. Why Okay, so they have this unique eye bath. So it look like this. So there's a cup thingy. So I think this is like when you put the liquid inside, and then you're gonna just go in, and then you like open your eyes, go left, go right. Yeah, because I saw one of this video also show this thing. So it's, the bottle is like this. You see, the bottle is like this, and why they don't teach us how to use? Got. So rinse the eye bath before use. Fill with eye wash until 1/3 full. Bend head slightly forward. I think hold the eye like that, and then at least 30 seconds. Then you have like your eyeball. You see here, see there. Go up, go down. Wait for 30 seconds. Ooh, that's very long, man. It's okay. Oh, anyway, they have, if you're afraid, right? So they have this thing that show you how to use it. Yeah, exactly how I say it. Like that, go in, see there. Let's get started. I'm so excited, man. I'm sure this is my first time, man. Okay, make sure it cover my whole eye. Like that. Then can This one is okay. I'll open my eye. Wait up, make sure the thing don't drop off. Ew. I dare not, man. Wait up. I think I saw something here. Okay, I saw my mascara and all kinds of things inside. I don't know if you can see this, but I think I can see those small little dots, right? Oh, this is yeah, which means I don't really clean my eye well. Okay, so I'm just going to pour a bit, and later I will show you guys from here. And I saw something weird. Give me a minute. I'll show you guys what I saw. It's interesting. So guys, this is the thing that came out from my eyes. Can you see? And from here, I don't know if you can see or not, the small little dots thing. So these are the things that make my eyes painful. My goodness. And I think I saw, oh my. Okay, let's continue with the right eye and see. The left eye, and now my left eye felt very comfortable. Yeah, to be honest, there's something like clean it and then you felt like light, you know, it's not heavy, but this thing, like this eyes, I felt like something is inside there, but I don't know how to clean it. But anyway, we have this solution and this little cup to what make then I can do this eye bath thingy. So pour a bit, just not, I think I should pour much more. Until here, I think there's a line here. Okay, itadakimasu. Okay, wait. Aim chun first. Then you pour like that. Okay, one. Okay. Okay, this is it. But I still see something. It's not much like just now, but I definitely saw something. It's still the glitter and right. You know what? I'm just gonna pour here and then we'll see what's inside that make my eye irritated. So from the left eye and now the right eye, I recommend you guys to like clean the cup with if let's say, because now I'm actually on my table and I'm lazy, but for you guys you can just wash it lah. Because you will never know what's in your eye. But I still feel something inside, but anyway, I'm still gonna clean it again. Still got a bit of thing, but still a thing lah. I saw something like oil stuff. Wait, let me see my eyes. My eyes is whiter because just now it was so painful. Yeah, you saw this red color thingy. My eyes was irritated and so painful. But after I washed already, it's not as painful as just now lah. Okay, alright. Okay, so I'm gonna use a torch to make it up, and then I don't know if you guys can see or not. It's really interesting though. That's my flash. Ooh, okay. Oh wow, okay. I saw something that last time I used to saw at the internet. I'm gonna show you guys. Alright. I don't know if you guys can see or not. Can you see the floating thing? You see how dirty it is? So you can actually use a longer bottle because I only have this transparent contact lens case, but I'm not so sure if you can see or not. But I can see from here it's very disgusting. Can you see that? So that weird thingy, yeah, this thing, yes, this is the thing that make my eye painful. It's you. And let's see another eye. This is the right eye. Can you see that? Oh my, how disgusting. Yeah, this thing. Can you see? Wait, let me point. Yep. This, where's the thing? Yeah, this is the thing that make my eye painful. So you see, it's floating. That's why it's so painful, because it's so dirty. Alright, so this is the right eye, and now this is the left eye. Oh, can you see? So all these weird things are the things that been floating in my eyes and make my eye irritated. Can you see that? My goodness. Yup. And let's try with this. So this is my left eye. My left eye, the thing floating and swimming. And this is the right eyes. Whoa, it's really dirty, man. Really dirty. Okay, and now this is Oh my. Yeah. So this one is from my right eyes. Can you see that? Okay, so conclusion of this thing, you gotta wash your eyes with this thing. Don't care if you're wearing contact lens or not, but you still have to. You see how dirty it is. It's floating. I don't think it's. Oh, can. Yeah. So these are the stuff that irritate my eyes. My goodness, can you see? Yeah. So what are you waiting for? Grab this thing fast. Clean your eyes. And then if you don't clean, and then it get worse. So yeah, this is my personal review of this eye wash thingy, and it's really, can I say, amazing? Or because this is my first time using this eye wash, and it's not as scary as I thought lah. Because at first I thought it was like we'll go in and then maybe don't know what thing. Because previously when I washed my nose, this thing came in from this and then came out from here, and then there's a lot of things. But anyway, it's not as scary as you think. So if you wear contact lenses, you make sure you really clean your contact lens and also clean your eyes before you wear, because it's really uncomfortable. So sometimes it's not about the contact lens problem that cause your eyes irritated. It's your eyes itself, because you don't clean it out. I won't tell anyone. Then when with this thing, this solution, and comes with this, so you can wash, and then it's really fun to see what's happening, and then it's really fun to find out the answers as well. So let me see how often that we have to do this thing. Use 3 or more times a day. So which means if let's say when morning you go out to work and you have to wear contact lens, you can clean it first, or you can use it after when you got back from home and you take off your contact lens, and you can use this thing. So yeah, this is my personal review of this eye wash lotion. Let me know if you tried once, or let me know if you dare to try or not, but I already take my challenge. And yeah, about this hair color, when I go out, so when I was driving, obviously it's dark and then I cannot see any of this green color. So I'll be changing the hair color very soon, and I will top up with other colors as well. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, don't share, and comment. So bye guys. Enjoy your eye bath session with this Optrex. So bye bye guys. Love you guys. Mwah.